Hello, I'm Dr. Shivangi Singh. I'm a postdoctoral researcher here at Xiamen University, China. I'll be talking about someone special today, Savindra Pandey sir. He was my class teacher in class 10th in Kendra Vidyalaya, Port Blair, and he is amazing. He has been my mentor for last 15 years. I'm 30 now, and when he was my class teacher in 10th standard, he motivated me to see bigger dreams, bigger crazy dreams, and he was always someone who said we have to dream big in order to achieve it. So he has been an inspiration, and he has taught me just not the lessons of social science but life. And for the last 15 years he has been in touch, and he has been the most amazing cheerleader as well. Whenever I do something big or small, his words or his comments will be the first one. He will be cheering me on, and everybody needs teacher like this one in their life, and I am blessed to have him, and I am thankful. I have not uh, said it out loud to him maybe, but today I am telling him that I am thankful for him, and everybody needs a teacher like him in their life. Thank you so much, Savindra Pandey sir, and yeah, it's great to talk about you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Apurna, one of the many thankful students of our wonderful teacher Savindra Pandey sir. Let me just quickly introduce myself. Before we delve into how wonderful of a teacher he really is and what he means to his students, I have just graduated from Miranda House University of Delhi, and I am planning to pursue my master's from Jawaharlal Nehru University in geography as well. And when I first came to know sir, he was supposed to be just another history teacher, but when I left my schooling I realized what a good fortune I had by meeting sir, and he became not just a history teacher, he became one of the best teachers of my life that I had ever had the fortune to meet. His way of teaching was practical, methodological, and understandable, which is something that is very important for every student. You have to understand what a teacher is trying to say, and his way was so practical and so engaging. History classes became much more fun. It was not just we were reading about the dancing girl or Harappa or just the objectives resolution. It became something much more engaging, and I still remember what he taught us to this day, which stands as a wonderful testimony to how great he taught. It was his hard work along with our students as well that I managed to score 100 marks in my boards examination. And not just he was not just limited to one specific discipline. He was teaching us geography, political science in one class only. So it was something that I am always thankful for, and it became much more. It became a life experience that he shared with us. I am forever grateful that I had such a wonderful opportunity, and it is his way of thinking and his way of guiding us that still time and again it manages to reach us, and I'm always forever grateful to you. Thank you sir, from the bottom of my heart.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ओम प्रकाश कुमार है और गत वर्ष हुई सीबीएसई परीक्षा में मैंने 94.4% अंक प्राप्त किए और इस बात के लिए मैं अपना सबसे बड़ा श्रेय श्री शर्विंद्र कुमार पांडे सर को देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने हिस्ट्री विषय को एक इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से पढ़ाया और हमारे लिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक बनाया। साथ साथ उन्होंने अलग अलग तरीके से लाइफ में आने वाले प्रॉब्लम साथ साथ में डिसिप्लिन हमारे अंदर डेवलप किया। कैसे एक हेल्दी कंपटीशन डेवलप किया जाता है बच्चों के बीच में, उन्होंने ये भी हमें सिखाया। कैसे एक पीयर टीचिंग की मदद से, कैसे आपस में एक दूसरे दोस्त की मदद से कैसे एक अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ सकता है, उन्होंने सिखाया। साथ साथ कैसे स्कल्पचर्स की मदद से, पेंटिंग्स की मदद से, कैसे मैप की मदद से एक अच्छे तरीके से एक थिंकिंग स्किल डेवलप किया जा सकता है, उन्होंने ये भी हमें सिखाया। और इस बात के लिए मैं सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ और यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि सर हमारे आने वाले भारत के लिए भविष्य को खड़ा कर रहे हैं और सर ये करने में ज़रूर सफल होंगे। धन्यवाद।